Malolo malia ho e ki malelei ai tonga hono kotoa. Whiawhia ke utaritai lelei ki mauton ke omo uni o ngongo, mai le te o ka omo afo ke televiso ne tonga ki he hawani. Wakai koia ke ngahi ulu i ngongo. Ha ele he tamatu i whakale o plenis kalani tu pautoa olu ka lala, ai o wau loto mai tuku pale i maga whamanatu o e tau i pangailahi i heng i tuku naki. Whailonga he minista ako, mo ako ngawe ai kakato ai tohi halafononga, ma ai kau wako, kau katoa, pe ke toi halafonunga ma ai kau whaiako. Pe awha ame kau taha chesa tongani ki ola lelei mo manako e spoti ko e ni, ma ai whana wako i tongani. E to iai pe me ngahi tala noa ke ana yange, whatame wakai ke whamimitaha me he mga e o spoti, tau ma afo ke whamatala e aka ke wakai lewa e ni, ki he whai ki. I he te eke ke mafoha ai ata e heng toko naki. Na e wanawana iki ai e leo e piukala me he mala e pangailahi, ko e ongo o e aho ne whakamanatua ai o kausotia no usila, Australia mo tongani ne nau tō tau i he taulahi hono uluaki, mai taulahi hono wa amamani. Ko e o wauni na e apa au pito ai ane ha e le ai e he tamatu i whale o plenis kalauni tu poutoa ulu ka lala, ai o au lotu mai tuku pale ko e ni i he maka whakamanatu o e tau i pangailahi. Ko e polo kalamani na i tatake pe he kau tau ni awhio, pene kau atu ke me kau whafofonga wha diplomatika o kau kene tala whekau lahi anu sila mo Australia ki tongani. O ko iloa whoki ai aho mahu ingani ko Anzac Day, pe o wha ilonga i aki ha aho maa lolo whapuri anga i he tau kotoa i aho anima o epeleli. Hilia ai whapopo uli nei hoko i kalipoli i toake i aho anima o epeleli tahiwa tahanima. Nai kau whatahaya tongani i heng toko naki mga i whanua kehe e ni ihi i mamani o kawa anu usila mo Australia i hono whamahu inga i o aho mahu inga koe ni aki ai aho malolo whapure anga. Ko taulahi koe ni nei whaia i he tau tahiwa tahani ma. Koe pongpong mahu inga eni ke tangata mo whewhine sotia kotoa, koe hui koe whaki kakato ai mo ui ni ihi ne tō tau e matatulu o Pensuela Kalipoli ma ai melino o mamani. Ko tau kotoa whailonga ia i he ahuani ma e peleli e ahu mahu ingani, aki e wanawana iki e piukala i he mafoa hake ai ata i he pongpong wani ma, ka koe whakaha e whakapapa ma kehe e kautai ni awhio ke ni ihi o kuto tau. Koe o wauni ne whakahoko ai tuku pale mai fusfuka i pangailahi, pene me ai kau whawafonga wha diplomatika me ngai whamili, ai ni ihe kau sotia tonga na nau tō tau i he taulahi hono oloaki, mai taulahi hono wā. Nei te tāki pehe tamatu i whakale o plenis kalauni tu poutoa olu ka lala, ai olaki tuku pale, o whawafonga i ai whale o tu i. Hoko at ke ai talawhikau lahi anō sila ki tongani His Excellency Brodie Sinclair, pea moe talawhikau lahi a Australia ki tongani His Excellency Bragg Batley. Nei tok hoko at ke ai tuku pale minista mo ui wakawa mei liku i he ene whakafofongai ai pule anga Tonga. Ko e wau koe ni ok mahino ai a apa ai o wau, o ki ka ingata pe whakamanatua o i aho koe ni ai kau sotia ni nau tō tau, ka aku kau ke ai me whakaapa ma ai whamili o ki nau tolu ai kau sotia ni nau tō tau i hono tau i ai melino i mamani. Lautonga polo kalamana mea tal whikaulahi no sila ki tonga ni His Excellency Brody Sinclair o Vikia ai kau sotia ni nau tuku pāka kato i nau mo ui ka hui koe melino a mamani i he malai o i tau. Nani tui pehe koe makehe anga i whakamanatua o i aho o i tō tau e kau sotia i he tau ko i nau loto aki ai loto taha mo i whetakon aki whakai toko ua neongo koe whanua kehe na e filifili mai ki nau tolu me iai. I ene pehe koe hala whanonga ia kune ke ilalanga mai ai o au mai ke laloto ngani ai wāwha diplomatika lelei anu ustila Australia mo tongani. Kuola lelei a hono whātu ai o ngotohi hala whanonga ke ni tokonia ai whaiako maatonga i hono whaiako i hatoko taha whaingata ia whakai sino whakataha mo i whānau wako o kakato pe e nau mo ui ilo ki ako. Pehe ke tohi hala whanonga ma ai whānau wako ilo ako hei lala. Nai mea minista ako mo ako ngā ue toke tāmo ale o tunuku o whailonga i ai kakato ai o ngotohi hala whanonga ko ini ke kamatanga we aki ia e he putunga o ako. Li te atau kapo mo whaiki ke talano ko ia ki he hauani.
Ai te tau hokotai peheni ki ono whake atuko ia o e tohi isi i he lala Quality Standard Framework.
Ko hiri ene ai kakato e ngau e potu ngā ue ako, i hono tāna ke ngai whakamatala me ngai whakakaukau, ki hono whatu hala whanonga ke ne tokonia ai whaiako maatonga, i hono whaiako i whakataha ai whānau whaingata a ia whakai sino, mo ki nau tolu ai whānau wako o ku kakato pē e nau mo ui, i he lokianko tatau pē e taha i ngai api ako i tongani. Ko hili eni hono tali he pure anga ke whakaata e ne ngahi ako anga o tatau pe he ako lautohi mo e ako korisi ke ako ai mo ki nau tolo e whanau o iai ha anau whaingata a ia whakai sino. Ia whainga maali e ko ia o ku mahu inga ia lewa ai potu ngāwe ako i hono whakapapau i o ku oange ki e whanau pehe ni ai whainga maali e ako tatau o ku mau e ki nau tolu i kai whaingata a ia whakai sino. Ia mea e minista ako, toki tāmu ale o tunuku nā ne pehe, koe makamai le mahu inga eni, ke potu ngāwe, ia whaiwhaiange ko iai hatohi hala whanonga, ke muimui ki ai ai ngā aue ai kau whai ako, pehe ki e whānau ako. Nā ne toi pehe, e hoko eni, ke toi whaingo fuange ai ngā aue whakaaho ai whai ako i loki ako. Ke whaingofua e ne whakahoko whatongia i loki ako, i hono ako i whakataha ai whanau whaingata a ia whakai sino, mo ke nau tolu o ku nau mau pē ai mo ui kakato. Koe loak taimi e ni ke whakahoko ai hapolo kalama peheni i tongani. Mahino pe whoki ni anga maheni ke iai pē ai api ako makehe, ma ai kau whaingata a ia whakai sino, i ngele ia, mohoi. Ka, koe ngā unu ko e nei put ngā ue ako ke pao tolo aki ai ako kau katoa. Hiri hono whakamoa ni i whakamama lahi o ku toi whakalakalakange e mo ui e whanau whaingata a ia whakai sino. E ako whakataha mo e whanau wako o ku ikai ke nau whaingata a ia. O ku toi uki whoki me he put ngā ue ako ke mātua tau whanau o ku iai ha nau whanau whaingata a ia ke nau whakaau ngai ai whainga mali e peheni. Kai kehe, nai whakamalo ia i pē e tare kita wa ako toka mu ai potu ngā ue he peti tā kei whanga. Ai kau ofisa ako pehe ki e UNICEF i e tokoni ko eni kai malawa ke ngā unu ato ngani o whakahoko ai ako i he levolo o ku toile le yange mo tāwange o ikai keli e kina hataha i loki ako. Mai ngonga le te o mo televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
I he li pōti whamui taha mi he potunga i me ui e tau maha ki moftengi kua o mai en ke toko tolu ngā mahi wa whakatoa a e toko lahi o ki nau tolu ko whapapa ui o ku nau puke i he mofitengi.
Whakatatau ki e whakamatala tuku mai me he pot ngāwe mo ui, nei li pōti ai toko ua fo ou ke puke i he mowhitengi i aho toko naki, o alhake e toko lahi o toko tolngofu mao no whakakatoa, pia teule ko oti mo toko ua fo ou aniafi o alhake ai o toko tolngofu mao walu whakakatoa, pia i he aho ni lewa na i toi tāna ki atu mo toko taha puke fo ou, o alhake ai toko lahi whakakatoa, ki he toko tolngofu mahiwa i he au mai ki he aho ni. Ko e toko whaeni o ku kei tauhi i he whalemahaki, ai a koe toko tolwai i he whalemahaki Princessi Fuspala i Hapai, mo toko taha i he whalemahaki Viola i Tongatapuni. Kua whakapapau I whoki me he ola o I whakatatolo o I kalasi vailasi ki he moftengi koe ni aia koe kalasi iua pe koe ti I NV iua. O ku hoko atu ai pia ngāhi ngā aue a poti ngāwe mo ui I he tuku atu ai whale I mo poupou ki he kakai o whanua I he ngāhi polokalama le tio, televisone mo ngāhi whakamatala o ku tuku atu I he mitia whakasosiale, whakatamua ke te whakaivia ai kakai ke naulawa whakahoko ha ngāhi tu uni e tokoni ki he malu I ki nau tolu me he to omaha ki moftengi. O tuku atu ai pia e kole mo tapou me he poti ngā aue mo ui ki he kakai o whanua, ke tokoni mo whingawe aki I he whakaauha I ngāhi e lia tuku anga vai, e lava ke whanawhanawa I e namu, I he ngāhi e lia, I he ngāhi apnofo anga, ako anga pia mo ngāhi ngāwe anga. O mau inga whoki ke whakatoka ngai ai ngāhi whakainonga koia o mahaki mowhitengi, kauheni ai mowhi lahi, langa ulu lahi, langa e tu amata, whelanga ki e sino mo hokotanga hui, toka kovi mo lua, mo ngāhi whakainonga kehepe o au ki he lua toto pe whānoa e totohe te nifo, o fuwhia mao ke whenga lewa ia ki he whalimahaki, pe senta mo ui o whitaha, ke whakahoko hatakoni whakawhaito o mo whakapapau I pe koe puke I he mowhitengi.
Ia whamatala ko tuku mai me he ofise palemia I he wike ko osi na whakahai e tu une pureanga e kei I he levolo uluankipe tu ungalan mata tongani o whatatau ke whaunga ki hono pule I oi lolo I tongani. Ai ako hili eni ahano wakai ai whakotu me he komiti whingawe aki a tongani whikau aki mo tu unga o iwi mo lolo a tonga e wike ko osi.
Nā e whakahai e whakamatala I ona tuku mai me he ofisio palemia he wike kua o si ai whakahoko e tūtu uni koe ni ke keitu mao pēr tu unga o I mau anga lolo I he lolo tongani neongo ai ia e ngāhi whakainonga tō mua o I tu unga whakatūtā maki e a o ki ai mau anga lolo. Nei tuku atu ai pēr e tapou mo I kole ai pule anga ki he kakai o e whanua ke ngawe aki whakapotopoto ai lolo o ku mau I he lolo tongani, kau hika hoko atu ko ia ai longoa I he hahake loto, pia ne wesi ai mau anga lolo whakamaman lahi, o a oi pe ki tongani I he hoko atu ai pe ai wesia ai totongi oi lolo. O ku kei hoko atu pe ai whaka o mai ai koloa lolo ki tongani, I he mahino o ku tau mai I he wikeni ai wakauta lolo, ko ia o ku kei tu whainga maali e pe ai whanua I ta whaaki oi koloa lolo. E whakahoko ai whakataha I kau whaiongo ngome ofisio palemia a pongpongi, ai a e lava ke tuku atu ai e ngahi whakaiki ki whakamuimui taha ki he tu unga oi lolo I he whanua.
Pea koe wainga chess, koe poupou leleia ki hea koe whānā wako, kai pehe ki hea koe ngāhi tō o ngā mo ui whakatamai o leleia nge. Pea koe whakaamuia ai kautaha chess a tongani ke toi whalahi ai mana koa o wainga koe ni I tongani, mō whakailo atu ki he kakai o whanua ke naulawa o inasi I he lelei ko ia o wainga ni. I he wike kua o sina ma o whinga maalia ngō ngā leiti o tonga ki whakatalanoa ki he kautaha chess a tonga me whānā wako, o kuna ukawa ki hana whawhawhunga I ai whanua, ki he whiahui chess ai Pasifiki, ai ne whakahoko ia ki Christchurch, no sila I he konga ki mua o mahina ni.
O ko mahino me he ola nai mau e he timi Tonga I he whiauhi Oceania Youth Chess Championship koe ni, ai whakalakalaka ki mua ai tu unga wa inga ai whānau, o whakahoa ki e nau fuafua whiauhi, whakavaha apure anga ne kawat ki ai I he tau ko o si I Brisbane I Australia. Na pehea e lawi nia pāhulu me he kautaha chess a Tonga, koe ola whakawhiawhia au pito nai mau I he whiauhi, he oku ne whakahai koe whainga mālia le lei eni ma ai whānau Tonga.
E whalau koe na mau whahoko, te utaranoa pe in comparison ke mau whiauhi e tau ko o si na e whakalakalaka pito e tauni, e koe tau ko o si na e mau e Tonga e poini koe 3.5, ka koe 3.5 koe a koe win e tahai, pea koe ngahi poini koe ngahi poini I he ngahi whonga ke kepe, hange koe pai ai kau leka. Koe tisia na e poini e hongofulu, pea I he hongofulu koe ia te actually win. E pea koe le koti koe win na e wha. Pea I he whakatoa koe mau wainga koe tauni o ku whakalakalaka au pito, I hanga koe mau sio ta malawa pea Tonga ia koe ki wainga koe nia, it's actually easy for Tongans. Last year, that's our first ever ke international ai alok timi, and they actually score 1 win, mo whangi pōnes koe. Ka koe tauni, each and every one got a score. So, koe tauni aku mausia atu koe keimi pia matonga.
Pehe e pāhulu, o ku kaulelei ai chess ki e whakaivia whakaata mai ai kauwa inga. Pe aku to konfoki eni ki e kauwa inga i he ngahi tapa kehe e nau mo ui.
Nā mau kamata mai na e kai ke fuu mahinu e kaule kāna nau whetoa ke nau tole ai chess mo vei mau ka okuna kehe pe. Pea i teimko koe na hanga whahoko e kaule ka, ko ki whi whakamahino pe heni koe teimi wainga koe kaule ka koe ke whi mau ke nau disturb e ako, ai koe teimi lunchtime pe. Koe teimko koe na whahoko wainga ku te whatoa ngai, it's actually the kids koko ku atamai. Teimko ko te play e mo nau tolu, o ku te lawai koko, their critical thinking is developing when they do the game. Pea ku ilonga ia he some of the boys in my class, teimko ko au te koko lako CV, o ku te sio peki te ako kaule kako te actually play chess. O ne hanga ai nau toke patient, a koe nau toke patient, rethinking, pea mo ping tactic i he game. It actually brings ai fo I nā tula ko ia ke nau whai e CV, whai exercise I hea koanga.
Na whakahai e mohe lomu ko taha o timi chess a Tonga, ne mau e ne fōfua poini whakawaha apure anga I he whiauhi ko e ni. A e ne manako he wa inga ni kauhi ko hanga he wa inga chess, o te keia ke toilelei ange e ne whakakaukau whakalelei ki ngā hinga unu kotoa o kune whakahoko. I ka inga tape I he wa inga chess, ka I he ne mo ui whaloko fua.
Ko chess nā kai ke poto I he wa inga ko ni. Ka I he tau ko o si. Nā ku siope I he wa inga ko ni I he wa inga holo a e tamaiki I mau apia kope I Tonga High School. Pe au tangutu pe mo mamata. Ka e ku mamata ki wa inga ko ni nā ni hanga nā ne whaai ai au. O tupuraki ai pe e ku sio pe ki hanga e wa inga ko ni ku very competitive au pito. Pe aku ne hanga o ai kita ke te whakaukau. Pe aku ne tala noa ko hanga pe o whakompea pe ki game ko ni me maui. Te mai pe ki a te au to never give up. And always trust in yourself.
Ko lolo tongani, ko tokolahi o whānau o ku kau atu ki e kautaha chess a Tonga, ko whānau wako Tonga Side School, mo ako maolunga o Tonga. Ai ako oswhakatu uai e ko lupu chess ai ako maolunga o Tonga, I e whingawe aki me kautaha chess a Tonga, o whakaha I e whai ako kune tukanga kina ai ko lupuni ko pensi mani matangi. Ok mana koa au pito e wa ingani ki whānau wako, pia ku nau whakatoa meli ai ki e hā mai o ola lelei o wa inga chess ai whānau wako. I ka inga tape I he wa inga, ka e nau ngahi le son whakaako.
Nei tokoni mai whuki e Tonga Chess Federation o mai e ngahi chess sets, pia mo ngahi timers, ki ngaki he club pia ku whakawhiawhia pito ku sio ku whiawhia pute whānau ke nau ngā ake ngahi set for all mo whaka professionare koni nei o mai he Tonga Chess Federation pia ne whakai ai pe ai popular chess club I Tonga High School I mo ngā uwhai.
Ok whakatu tuu e he kautaha chess a Tonga, ke whakahoko ai whiauhi whakawhonua I sune, ke teke ai pē mana koa e wa ingani I he whonua, pia whaka ai hoko atu ai whiauhi a Tonga ni I he wa inga chess. Mai ngonga le te o ma televisione Tonga, ko auritea tau kapo.
Uni o ngonga whalatu whanua ki hawani o kahili en te tau hokolewa ki he whamimita mi he malai o sipoti, pēa mo pia o lie.
I he whetaki ni mai komisoni whamawhora rea Tonga me potungau e ngahi ngau e whalota whanua pē mia. Malawa I ke whamawhora te mala e sipoti me whiauhi Superrugby Pacific Manoa ua no. Whamalo ke 8 minista me ka whahi sipoti ai potungau e I whenga e aki ua whakahoko. Malo mo tau ki whilonga ki ka whakaini mala e o sipoti. Ko hoko timi matenga taa me hi hala toa mui ko hau whare vele vai e whea pururi ki e whanau tangata tau tahawalu. Hiria e na whainolo pia mui piau maa e whunga whakaala a ke kai ke honga fulu ki taha whae pā ke te whai wā. Ko e whetua tu ani whahalma mātaini hena e mahino e tau ke iwa inga e whanau me he haakame Brungers. He nau pule whakawao he fōweti kai maari e kono pukapoke mai he timi iki mo pakihikihi me he whanua kau ngā api. Neongo uke i siofi he kau ofisiare e squati e teu ke whalau koe ki toa puri anga, whanau tāta tau taha no mo taha walu, ka uku mahino pe ai ki fihi ke kau whaia ko, ano whiri koe hani ihi pe unuhi atu ke whawhunga i ai whanua he teu koe ni whalau ki fisi mo Australia. I whamatala me he ofisa wharalaka e ka pururi ki me he enala ila Tonga, seo ne ka whatolu haangana ki he ngongo ai re tio Tonga, o koe si mahino pe ai whanau whine, koe toe ni ai timi tangata.
Tau mo foke pe ko ni ke fili tau whanau ke nau whawhawhunga e ki tau tolu i he ongo tua la lahi e ua ai tau tahawalu nau kau na toki fisi tangata mo se fili ke te au toia e Youth Pacific Championship pe mo ngai tua nga mahin pe ko e tau tahano tangata mo se fili ko nau whawhlau e ki Australia i he tau koko ka kene ono whae pe ko tima ai tua ko ia pene lava le re tau whia ko ia i Tongatapu ya nai kuna e tau tahawhaia e te au ikoe e tapai tangata e whanau e kalapu Hakame Broncos na whainolo ka Moimoi seini i kuna e vai ni tau under 14 girls e na te au ikoe pa mo e Hakame Broncos ko e tau tahano tangata nai kuna e te au ikoe e veipa ai kausangato a mua pa mo e peau maa whanau si info koe tau tahano peau maa na i kuna e peau maa tau final tau lah deva koi ya to na ki se paki ai pongo sa Hakame pa fana bi piau ma ala lo nai kuna ya e Hakame ai se tau tawalu
O tonga ni o ku te atu e ngahi o tu motu mei toke lau e whiau he level da tau ka te nau whiau he tau toko hi wā hangi ko whakamatala mi a hangana
o mau te atu ke hoko ta se ahuia ki o tu motu i toke lau, wawau, hapai, te mo eua. I whahoko i he ngahi, o te mote tolu ia koe ni, ngahi whanua koe ni, ai te auhia koe na e tina re volo kai whaia i he tau toko hiwa. Ai a koe mau be e mau tawhaki i hono whakaia se ai te nihe weekend, ko announce rewa aho koe ka whakanganga, ko tu te rege te mamao e nau ki kofu me uke kahau. Wawau, hapai, ya mo ewa i he age group ka tau pe ko si whanau si iho tau tawha tahao no tawalu tangata pia mo e whewhine
Kai ki he ku whawhiawhia ki he kautahari ki e aola ngā ue whakahakohe ko tai maari e whanau ai nihi koia ko nau i he whawhawhonga e tu ai whanua he ola koe ni o kau atu ki ai e whamori area pau whine mui koia ko Vasariva Fereti pia mo e Kalapo Tigers i he wike ko osi pe wike koe ko tau si tu a mi ai Ko e sipotipe.
Ko pia o lie me whamimitaha me he malai o sipoti te tau wakai lewa heni ke he tuunga o e ea. Tuku me me senta whamatara ea tonga i whamotu me potonga e meidek e whahaukatu ia e pesa kuila.
Malolo maari ho eki pia moe lere ia tonga kotoa taitari whewhia ki motoru ki he tau whamatala ea ko ia ki he e fia whini. Ngai tāna o lalahi rewainu aho. Au fia pe fotunga langi ka ngai feitu en i o otu tonga. Pe malape kei moha uhatu umoto. Tau te whito ki ta whakatonga ki Tongatapu pe mo eua. Pe mo konga o otu hapai ki e otu mua mua. Lagi alomari pe ki toke lau, mongo ni ua wawau pe mo otu hapai. Mokari amani ki tau imisate lai te whakatonga ingi altamaki uha. Kune kei toka pe ki o tau ta whakatonga. Ai une kei whetu tuku hake ha au fia malape kei moha uhatu umoto to holo. Tau te whito ki Tongatapu pia mo eua. Lahi alomari pe ki niwa fo'ou ni o Tongatapu wawau pia mo otu hapai. Tu ke hange otu mua mua malape kei moha uhatu umoto to holo. Whatokanga lewa ni ki ngai potu tahi ke heko hokot pia no tuko te tau whatokanga hako pia mo whare iki whanki i waka iki ke tokanga heo ki tahi ke ngai potu tahi koia o tere ki Tonga pia mo tere ki toke lau. Kai pasifiki au ni ma ka hoko mai whatonga e au tā maki uha koe na i ho tau whatonga u ne ngā uno te peke mama o miha tau eria i e pule lulu koe wikendi pe ange matangi pe mehe tonga mo tonga hake moha alo maari ki he otu tonga i he tua pule lulu koe a o i wikendi pe whaupe ki aki au tā maki uha vai vai u ne ngā uno kai pepe me whatonga ke tofu hia ko toi pe otu tonga i he tokonaki pe mo sa pate whaka o singa o i wike. Kai tau whanonga koia i he e whia whini koki a pongpongi whatonga i ange. Me lahi alo maari pe ki toke lau ni wa fo'ou ni Tongatapu wa wau pia mo otu hapai tu kenge taimu au whia whotunga langi i Tongatapu pia mo eua malape kei moha uha tu mo to holo. Angi pe matangi pia me toke lau i whoa uki he maire tahe wanoa tau te whito ki Tongatapu pia mo eua pia hahake tonga hahake ki he ongo niwa o apeke maire tahe ongo fulu ke tahanima ke hoa. Pia whiangi aki ia ngai taimi o ki maire tahe ongo fulu ke tahanima ki wawau pia mo otu haapai. Paula o tahe wako fua mawhana ke poni, te glise sase wa tolu ki he wanima. Whamatala ego ke pongpongi whatonga iangi, au tamak uha vai vai ki o tau tawha aki whakatonga, au ne ngā unu maa maari e mai ki Tongatapu pia mo eua, malapagini o mai ha uha tu umoto tau te whito ki he hoa tae whiafikoe a pongpongi, pia au whia ngai taimi ki wawau haapai, malapagini mo ha uha tu umoto ia ngai whitu a pongpongi. Lai ke alamaari e peki niwa whaou ni o Tongatapu tau whai whanongat ko ia a pongi, pia malape ke moha uha tu moto maape. Ke iangi pe toka ngamatangi pia mehe hahake mo tonga hake ki he ongo niwa, o au peke mari tahe wanoa ki hoa ngai taimi. Pia whengi aki ki he toinga o e otu tonga, o au peke mari tahe hongo fulu ke taha nima ki hoa. Wha au peke teka matangi o wangi pia mehe tonga i fo tau te whito ki Tongatapu pia mo eua. A pongi, o au peke mari tahe taha nima ki hoa. Malunga tahe tewa koe fua mawhana, ki a pongpongi te glise se tolu noa ki he tolu taha ki he kotoa pe o otu tonga. Tai mi hua pe moi mamaha ko e tahi maha toka ia i he toi minite wanoa ke taha he poni. Tau maari toi mite nima ki he nima a hengi. Koe la a moi mahina, a manaki ke hopo e la a pongpongi. Toi mite wha ke fitu pe a tō ia i he ostaha hiva pe mehe ono e whiawhi ko ia a pongi. Toi mahina toi mite wanima ki he wha a hengi pe a hopo ia i he osi minite ua pe me he wha, hoa tae whiawhiko ia a pongi. Whaos pia tau wakai ki he tau whamatala ea ko ia ki he aho e nima ka hako mai, ki Nuku'alofa o kamata he pule lulu, ki he sā pate ko ia whaosinga e wikendi. Lahi ki alamaari e pe tau whaiwhanongat ko ia he pule lulu, tua pe lulu pia moe whalaite. Whaope ki ha uha tu umato ki he tokonaki pia moe sā pate whaosinga e wike. Pia koe maulunga taha koe wha mawhana ki aho e nima ka hako mai ki Nuku'alofa. Au pe ki tigrise se tolu noa ki he tolu taha. Tau whaiwhanongat ko ia i he aho e nima ka hoko mai. Ko ka kato ia tau whamatala ea, malo opito mou mea mai, ka mo mea.
Ko pesa kuila ia mai whamumui taha o e whamatala ea ki hauani, ka ki mo apatau mawai, tau te wakai peheni ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Ha e leha tamatu i whakale o, plinis kalauni tu poutoa olu ka lala, ai o wau lotu mo tuku pale i he maga whamanatu o e tau i pangailahi i hengi tokonaki. Whailonga i minista ako, mo ako ngawe, ai kakato, ai tohi halafononga, ma ai kau wako, kau katoa, pe ke tohi halafononga ma ai kau whaiako. Pe a wha ame kau taha chesa tongani, ki o lalelei mo manako e spoti ko e ni, ma ai whana wako i tongani. Pe me kakato e peha mo uni o ngongo, e lea whatonga me lete o, ka ma awhi televisione tonga ki hauan, mo e ia i wha ame nea utono a ki loto whale, o i tonga hono kotoa. Whamalo te tau kei whi ao mai, ka mo mea.
Good evening and welcome to another week with Radio and Television Tonga News. I'm Popua Aho with your English news package for this Monday evening, April 27th. Today's top stories. Prince Regent Crown Prince Tuputo'a Olugarala attends Anzac Day dawn service and wreath-laying ceremony at the War Memorial Cenotaph on Anzac Day. The Ministry of Education launched an inclusive education framework to help improve the delivery of inclusive education around the country. And dengue fever cases continue to rise with 39 confirmed cases so far. These and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest from the sports scene and the latest weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Before dawn broke on Saturday morning, the sound of the last post echoed across Pangailahi in a solemn ceremony to mark Anzac Day in remembrance of Australian and New Zealand soldiers as well as Tongan soldiers who fought and died in the First World War and all conflicts since. The Prince Regent, Crown Prince Tupoto'a Nuku'alofa, led the wreath-laying ceremony at the cenotaph, the War Memorial at Pangailahi, where the dawn service was held on Anzac Day.
On this Saturday morning, Tonga joined in the commemoration of Anzac Day, observing this significant day as a public holiday. During the ceremony, wreaths were laid at the cenotaph, attended by members of the diplomatic corps and families of Tongan soldiers who served in the First World War. The Prince Regent, Crown Prince Tupoto'a Nuku'alofa, laid the first wreath on behalf of the royal household, followed by the New Zealand High Commissioner to Tonga, His Excellency Brodie Sinclair, and the Australian High Commissioner to Tonga, His Excellency Bragg Batley. This was followed by the Minister of Health, Huakava Meiliku, who laid a wreath on behalf of the Government of Tonga. During the program, the New Zealand High Commissioner to Tonga, His Excellency Brodie Sinclair, paid tribute to the soldiers who gave their lives for world peace on the battlefield. He also noted that what makes the commemoration special is the unity and cooperation among soldiers from different nations who came together in service. He added that the spirit continues today, strengthening the positive diplomatic relationship between New Zealand, Australia and Tonga.
In the stillness of dawn, we gather in silence and remembrance. We honour the courage, sacrifice and dedication of all those who have served for New Zealand, Australia and Tonga. Today, on Anzac Day, we pause to particularly acknowledge those who fell at Gallipoli, those who returned from the First World War forever changed, and the families who carried their grief with quiet strength. Like many Australians and New Zealanders, I have made the pilgrimage to Gallipoli, but the Anzac Day commemorations I witnessed there did bring home to me vividly some of those same truths. First, there is the Anzac spirit. As a naive couple in our 20s, we found ourselves at 2 a.m. in the morning walking from our budget accommodation to the site of the dawn service, having wildly underestimated the distance. We were fortunate to be saved by a passing Australian Army band who stopped, threw us into the back of their truck with their instruments and ferried us the rest of the way. Many say that Australian and New Zealand characteristics of showing humility, care for one another and mateship were born in the darkest moments at Gallipoli. This small example shows that it is a legacy that continues to bind our nations today. Second is courage. Once I arrived, it was clear what a perilous position those soldiers would have found themselves in. The cliffs loomed large over the narrow beaches where we were gathered, giving a huge advantage to the Turkish troops who were defending their land. Yet the Anzacs showed great bravery, loyalty, and an unshakable commitment to stand together in the face of overwhelming adversity and hardship. For this reason, the Gallipoli campaign remains a defining chapter in New Zealand and Australia's shared history and shapes our national identities.
The program was led by His Majesty's Armed Forces and included members of the Diplomatic Corps, among them the High Commissioners of New Zealand and Australia to Tonga.
The Ministry of Education and Training officially launched 2 new frameworks for the improvement of inclusive education in the country after years of research in building the frameworks to support inclusive education that brings students with disabilities and those without to learn side by side in the same classrooms across schools in Tonga.
Ai te tau hoko tai peheni ki ono whake tuko ia o e tohi isi I lala quality standard framework.
The Education Minister, Honourable Dr. Mu'ale Otonuku, in marking the significant milestone held the years of work that went into putting the framework together and expressed optimism for how these frameworks will help shape the future of education in the country. The development of these frameworks are aimed at supporting inclusive teaching and studying and follows government approval of opening up all educational institutions from primary to tertiary level to be inclusive of students with disabilities. In his remarks, the minister described this as an important milestone as there is now a clear guide for both teachers and students to follow, and this will make teachers' daily work in the classroom easier, especially when teaching classes that include students living with disabilities.
This Heilala Quality Early Childhood Education Framework represents more than a set of standards. It represents our national commitment to ensuring that every child in Tonga receives a strong, nurturing and culturally grounded start in life. Global evidence shows early childhood is the most critical period in a person's life where the foundation of learning, well-being, identity and future success are built. What makes the Heilala framework truly unique is that it is built on our Fa'i Kawe Kola, the 4 golden values of Tonga, whakapa'apa, lototo, tauhiwa, and mamahimea. These are not just principles, they define who we are as Tongans. By placing these values at the heart of early childhood education, we are ensuring that our children do not just learn, they grow with identity, dignity, resilience, and a deep connection to their culture. As we have seen through our national experience, Tonga has made strong progress in expanding access to early childhood education.
Previously, there were special schools for students with disabilities in Ngeleia and Hoi. However, the ministry moved towards inclusive education follows global evidence showing that students with disabilities benefit more when learning alongside their peers without disabilities. The Ministry of Education is also encouraging parents of children with disabilities to take advantage of this opportunity. Meanwhile, the director of the Early Childhood Education, Hepetitake Fanga, expressed gratitude to education officers and UNICEF for their support, which has enabled Tonga to move forward in delivering a higher quality and more inclusive education system where no child is left behind in the classroom.
Dengue fever cases continue to rise, with health authorities urging the public to remain vigilant and take preventative action. The latest information from the Ministry of Health reports a total of 39 confirmed dengue cases so far.
The ministry reported 2 new cases on Saturday, totaling 36 confirmed cases at the time, with 2 more reported yesterday and 1 confirmed case reported today, bringing the total number of confirmed cases to 39. The ministry says there have been no deaths linked to the outbreak so far. However, 4 people are currently hospitalized, 3 at Princess Fusipala Hospital in Hawaii and 1 at Vaila Hospital in Tongatapu. Most of the cases continue to be reported among young people aged between 11 and 14 years, with the majority of infections recorded on Tongatapu. Health officials have also confirmed that the circulating strain of the virus is dengue serotype 2, known as DENV2. In response, the ministry says it is continuing public awareness campaigns through radio, television and social media, alongside mosquito control efforts including spraying in affected schools and community cleanup programs. The public is being strongly advised to eliminate mosquito breeding sites around homes and workplaces, use protective measures such as repellents and bed nets, and seek medical attention early if symptoms develop. The ministry is also encouraging communities to support ongoing cleanup efforts to help reduce the spread of the disease. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
A statement from the Prime Minister's office last week confirmed that government has decided to keep Tonga at level 1 or green under the Tonga Fuel Controls Framework, which followed a review of recommendations from the Inter-Cluster Coordination Committee regarding the country's energy and fuel situation.
The decision to remain at level 1 green was made to ensure that current fuel supply levels remain stable, despite early warnings a sign of potential risk to fuel availability. The government also appealed to the public to use fuel wisely, as ongoing tensions in the Middle East continue to impact global fuel supply and contribute to rising fuel prices, with effect being felt in Tonga. However, fuel shipments continue to arrive as scheduled, with oil tankers arriving this week, indicating that the country remains in a relatively stable position in terms of fuel supply. A press conference with the Prime Minister and government is scheduled for tomorrow, where more updates on the fuel situation are expected to be provided. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
And the game of chess can be beneficial in supporting students' education efforts by developing positive habits that can strengthen academic and mental ability. And the Tonga Chess Federation are looking to share this nationwide to further grow the popularity of the game in Tonga after they've achieved success on an international stage.
Last week, Radio Tonga News had the opportunity to speak with the Tonga Chess Federation and the team who represented the country at the Oceania Youth Chess Championship held in Christchurch, New Zealand earlier this month, where Team Tonga achieved results that show clear progress in the players' performance compared to their first international competition last year in Brisbane, Australia. Maisinia Dalau from the Tonga Chess Federation says the results achieved at the tournament are very encouraging, and they demonstrate how this game can be a valuable opportunity for Tongan youth.
The competition consisted of 9 rounds, where each player will have to play from the first round to the last round, which is the 9th round. And the kids, the Mohe Lomo, she won 4 out of 9 of her events. Hinavakamea Helu, she won 3 out of the 9 rounds. Tono Tontonu, he won 2 rounds, and Taotaina Satini, he was able to score one point out of 9. So it's a massive improvement from last year's event, where we went to the Brisbane Oceania competition last year. So it's very big and very, it's a proof and a testament to the hard work that the kids have been working, training, especially with our head coach. He is based in Australia. So every Saturday we have a Zoom meeting, 1 hour to 2 hours, training, going over just everything that will help them prepare for the Oceania Championship.
Dalau says that one of the best things about chess is that it not only plays an important role in strengthening players' intellectual abilities, but also helps them in different aspects of their life.
And coming from the perspective of a teacher, kids who play chess, they are very calm. It's like a disciplinary action that's helpful for a teacher. The kids are very calm because silence is key in a chess game. So the kids are very calm. They are sitting there thinking ahead before making their moves. If we compare it to our lives, life is like a game of chess. Every move we make, it will benefit us or help us to lose the game.
Meanwhile, Donald Donutonu, one of Tonga's chess team members who actually became the first Tongan player to earn 5 points in the last year's tournament, shared his passion for the game, saying that chess has helped improve his critical thinking and decision-making not only in the game but also in his everyday life.
Chess has helped me think a lot better in school, helped me do some good things in school. It helped me, my studies have been more frequent. It's been more consistent lately. I've been taking in notes very quickly. So basically it just makes you think harder and faster and more consistently. Because sometimes back then I used to be stressed about stuff, but chess helped me feel free from stress and just help me with my studies and stuff. Yeah.
Currently, most of the students involved with the Tonga Chess Federation come from Tonga Side School and Tonga High School, where a chess club has already been established through cooperation with the federation. The teacher overseeing the Tonga High School Chess Club, Pentimani Matangi, says the game is very popular among students and they are hopeful to see positive outcomes, not only in future competitions that are being organized but also in students' academic performance. The Tonga Chess Federation is planning to host a national tournament in June to further promote the game across the country and encourage continued participation in chess at all levels, opening the tournament for people of all ages and levels. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
That's your local news for tonight. After this break, we'll join Pia Olie for the latest in sports.
Welcome back in sport. The Hakame Broncos under 18 have won the Tonga Rugby League 13 junior title for 2026. The Broncos defeated Biauma Afunga Whakaala with 14 points to 10 in the final at Te Whairo Park. The young Broncos side controlled the match with strong defense and sharp attack. NRL Tonga Development Officer Sionika Fatolhangana says the tournament is part of the National Development Program. He says officials are now working with coaches to select the players for an upcoming tour to Fiji and Australia next month. The tour will include both under-16 and under-18 teams. Hangana says the under-16 girls squad has already been finalized because of limited team numbers while the boys squads are still being completed. He says Rugby 9's tournaments will also be held in Ewa, Hawaii and Wava'u for the same age groups and assured that the program continues to create pathways for young players. Meanwhile, last week, the former Tonga schoolgirls player Vasaliva Freddy signed with the West Tigers in Australia. And that's sports news.
That was sports news with Pia Olie. Now taking a look at the weather from the Formotu Weather Forecasting Centre with Bessa Kuila.
Hello and good evening. Welcome back to our weather forecast from Tonga Met Services. Our headline for this evening, we expect cloudy at times to most parts of the group with a possible scattered showers to the south, especially for Tongatapu and Ewa, but mainly fine over to the further north for Nuku'alofa near Tongatapu, also Wava'u and Hawaii group. From the satellite imagery, as you can see, there is a thick cloud band sitting over to the south of the group. It will bring a cloudy at times with a possible scattered showers, especially for Tongatapu and Ewa, but mainly fine over to the further north, Nuku'alofa near Tongatapu, and also Wava'u and Hawaii, apart from cloudy periods with possible isolated showers. From the current warnings for coastal waters, a strong wind warning and small craft advisory remains in force for Tereki Tonga and Tereki Tokelau coastal waters. Across the region the next 5 days, as you can see, this trough lies over to the south, is moving eastwards away from our areas, and it will bring a south to southeasterly wind flow with mainly fine weather over to the Kingdom of Tonga. Apart from this weak trough approaching from the south to most parts of the group by the end of this week with possible scattered showers. Let's bring the weather closer to home into Island Division. From this evening until early tomorrow morning, we expect mainly fine weather over to the Nuku'alofa, Tongatapu, Vava'u, and also Ha'apai. Apart from cloudy at times, especially for Tongatapu and Ewa, with possible scattered showers. Light and variable winds of up to 15 knots, especially for Vava'u and Ha'apai, with an east to southeasterly winds of reaching up to 15 knots. For Nuku'alofa and Tongatapu, but for Tongatapu and Ewa, northwesterly winds of reaching up to 20 knots at times. And the overnight minimum temperature for tonight, 23 degrees Celsius for Tongatapu and Ewa, across to the neighbors of around 25 degrees Celsius. Forecast for tomorrow, we expect a similar condition, but we are now concerned on this weak trough, moving slowly and approaching Tongatapu and Ewa by tomorrow afternoon with possible isolated showers. And also cloudy at times, especially for Ha'apai and Vava'u, with possible few showers for tomorrow. Mainly fine over to the further north for Nuku'alofa and Tongatapu. Maximum temperature for tomorrow of around 30 to 31 degrees Celsius for all of Tonga. For the tide prediction, low tide at 10:40 p.m. tonight, high tide at 4:55 a.m. early tomorrow morning. Sun and moon, sun will rise at 6:56 a.m. tomorrow morning and will set at 19 minutes past 6 tomorrow evening. Moon set 3:35 a.m. tomorrow morning and moon rise at 2 minutes past 4 tomorrow afternoon. Wrapping up with our 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa starting this Wednesday until Sunday, the end of this week, we expect fine weather apart from cloudy periods with possible scattered showers, especially for the end of this week for Saturday and Sunday. And the maximum temperature the next 5 days for Nuku'alofa of around 29 to 31 degrees Celsius. Thank you for tuning in. Malo Aupito. See you next time.
Thank you to Bessa and the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest weather update. That wraps up this hour's news package, but before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Prince Regent Crown Prince Tupoto'a Ulukalala attends Anzac Day Dawn service and wreath-laying ceremony at the War Memorial Cenotaph on Anzac Day. Ministry of Education launched inclusive education frameworks to help improve the delivery of inclusive education around the country. And dengue fever cases continue to rise with 39 confirmed cases so far. That's your news package for this Monday evening, April 27th. For more on these stories, you can visit our website at www.tbc.to. Join us again tomorrow for the latest local and sports news and weather updates. Now, for myself and the radio and television Tonga News team, thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.